Hey and welcome, and thanks for grabbing this video product. In this video training course, you're going to learn how to set up your product on the DigiResults platform. This is video number 1, the introduction to DigiResults. So just a quick overview of what we're going to be talking about in this specific video. I'm going to give you a videos overview. We're going to talk about mindset to make sure that you're in the right mindset. We're going to talk about the general strategy, and we're going to talk about what you need to get started. So the video's overview, video 1 is this specific video. Video 2, we're going to give you the product vendor checklist. So I'm going to make sure that you have this checklist, you have everything in hand before you actually set up the DigiResults product. It's really actually very, very easy to set up a DigiResults product. As long as you have all the pages and everything, like the price points, the titles, the descriptions, and so forth. But I'll jump right in. I'll show you more about that in that specific video. Video number 3, it's important to map out your sales funnel. For example, your front-end product, your one-time offer, your back-end product, and things like that. If you know exactly what your sales funnel is going to look like, then implementation is going to be a lot easier. Video number 4, we're going to talk about gathering and uploading your pages. For example, your thank you pages, your sales page, your affiliate page, and then uploading your pages. I'm going to show you, what you need and what you need to use to edit the pages and so forth. So don't worry about, how to use the tools. I'm going to show you how to do all of that in that specific video. And video number 5 is setting up your product on DigiResults. So once you have everything from videos 2, 3, and 4, setting the product on DigiResults is actually very, very easy to do. And you'll be amazed because this process should only take about 10 to 15 minutes max. Video number 6, I'm going to show you how from that point to get the DigiResults payment link or button. So if you want to use their buttons, you can do that. If you have your own button on your sales page, I'm going to show you how to add the link to the button. So whatever avenue that you choose, I'm going to make sure that you're covered. And then we're going to add that to the sales page. And then of course, we're going to upload that to your website through FTP. And of course, last but not least, video number 7, I'm going to show you how to use the DigiResults affiliate system. All right, so with that said, let's talk about mindset. It's easy to think only from a product owner standpoint, but what I want you to do is as you set your product up on the DigiResults platform, I want you to really, really focus on your buyers and your affiliates. So 2 different audiences here. Focus on your buyers, make sure that you're constantly in their shoes, in their perspective, because if you can do this, then the process that your buyers will see will just be great, from the process of them buying the product to the process of them getting their product delivered. And if you have this mindset when you're creating your sales pages, when you're creating your thank you pages, your affiliate pages for your affiliates and so forth, then it's going to be a lot easier. And I've learned this from experience as a product owner and a product developer myself. So just put yourself in their shoes and the process will be a lot easier for them. They're going to be happy and they'll come back later. So constantly ask yourself, for affiliates, does this action make your affiliates happy? Or does this action, what I'm about to do, or this process, give your affiliates what they want fast without any problems? And we know from previous experience that with affiliates, they want to get paid fast. So with DigiResults, you want to utilize their instant affiliate paying system. With buyers, on the other hand, does this action or what you're about to do or this process give your buyers what they want fast without any problems? Or how can this action add value to my buyers? So if you constantly ask these questions, it's going to be really, really easy to implement stuff on your part, but it's also going to make the process easier for your buyers and your affiliates. So here's the general strategy. Step number one, we're going to gather your product downloadable files. We're going to create all the pages from the sales to delivery to the thank you pages, and then we're going to upload it to FTP to your website. And then of course, step number two, from that point, we're going to set everything up on the DigiResults platform. In step number three, we're going to add an affiliate program, which is part of DigiResults anyways, but you can take it further. I'm going to show you how to take it further. I'm going to show you how to utilize the DigiResults affiliate system. And of course, you're going to market your product, but the stuff in blue here is the stuff that we're going to teach in this specific video course. And then step number four, you're going to take care of that yourself and market your own product. But with an affiliate program added to it, it's going to help with the marketing of your product or service, because you're going to have other people promote it. They're going to get a cut of the sales. They're going to be happy. They're going to promote your product over and over again. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a product, which I assume that you have a product, and I assume that you have a website and that your domain is connected to your hosting. So from this point on, I'm going to show you everything else, assuming these two conditions. You're also going to need to have a DigiResults account. So if you don't have one already, go ahead and go to DigiResults.com and create an account. You're also going to need what we call an FTP program, which is a file transfer protocol program. Basically, that means it helps you transfer your files from your computer to your website. And in this case, I'm going to recommend a free program called FileZilla. Then you're going to need a WYSIWYG web editing tool, which is basically means what you see is what I get. So if you know how to use Microsoft Word or any other documents web editing or editing tool, then this program is actually very, very easy to use. In this case, I recommend a tool called Composer. Now, if you don't know exactly where to get it, I'm going to actually show you that later down the road when we actually use these tools. And you're going to need some money to create some affiliate promotional tools. I'm going to do my best to show you how to create some affiliate promotional tools for free, but for the certain items that you will need money for, I'm going to show you how to go about getting those created at the cheapest price while retaining quality. So with that said, let's move on to video number 2.